What's going on, YouTube family? Before we even get started, I hope y'all are enjoying your day. Y'all had a good weekend. Today, I'm gonna bring y'all a good old video, action-packed rabbit hunting video. But before we get started, I want y'all to make sure y'all hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Show all your family, your friends, your kids. Let them know what it's like to be out here hunting in these woods. Gotta make sure everybody gets a little bit of this action here. All right, let's get it started. Uh-oh! 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 That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
I knew he was coming to see me somewhere. I thought he was coming on top of the hill like that. There's another one in there, bro. There gotta be another one, cause that hill's so high and shit.
Yeah. No worries. When we get the milk,
It's a big ass hill. You're right here. Let us see it.
Yeah.
Come here.
Where y'all get out in that one day?
That motherfucker.
Here we go. Right, Terrence. Oh, shit. Boy, that sucker moving, boy. Yeah, right there. Look on the road. Look where we come in at. Find him. Find him. Yeah, he hit him. He hit him.
Let the dog get him.
There you go.
Right here, son.
With the fresh track.
Hey, you know what he was trying to do? He was trying to
Man, I get that on cam too, boy.
Hey.
put your legs out. This nigga
It's going down. Starting off right.
let's go, baby. Hey, right here.
Yeah, he get him. hey, 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 hey. God damn. Who get that one? Who get that one? Oh, damn. Here you go, here you go. Dead, dead, dead. Hey, hold him up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You get him?
Keep going down. All right.
Boy, them dogs sound good, boy. That rabbit gone, boy. Oh, shit. I got him. Yep. Yeah, that's a dog. Yeah, I see him.
Pick it up.
I'm gonna wait. I want to find it. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. There you go, here you go, here you go. Oh, hey, hey, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go.
That thing's big. That's a big rabbit.
Here you go, here you go, here you go. Hey, that fucker was getting it now. Yeah. He was getting it.
Man, he done get shoot at too. He said,
Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go.
Come on, y'all. Here you go.
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Pop.
Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Here go, here go, here go, here go, here go. Come on.
What do you bride? I try to tell you. Hey, Cam, that's the most polite briar patch I ever seen. Hey, polite disrespect. Yeah. That's a big one there.
Where they close? Don't move. You stab that motherfucker.
Big man! Hey, coming to the road! Coming to the road! Coming to the road! Coming right to you, Snake Man! Look on the road! Coming back! Coming! Donald!
Nah, he gone.
Which way you going?
In the field, he in the field.
Coming back this way?
No, he in the field, going the other way.
Coming through! Down! 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 Down!
Where you going? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Dang.
That rabbit crossed by that old man foot.
It looked like he had a better shot than me. There been a big rabbit that crossed up there?
Yeah. Both of the rabbits.
Y'all get him?
Yeah, he got that one. The dog got that one. Yeah.
All that shooting, you better get him.
I missed that motherfucker. You to that post.
Hey,
Not my horse. I'm a man on the porch laughing. I said, don't laugh at me, man.
As soon as they walk in, that sucker bust behind me. Man, try and look, I can see his tail. God. Get that one.
okay.
Rabbit, brother.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell y'all shoot 5, man.
God dang.
Brother right there get a laugh on his lifetime, man. Boy, he laughed at me so goddamn.
Well, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate your support. Make sure you leave a comment down in the comment section if you want to ask any questions or give any advice. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Like a 9mm.
Hold it out then.